In today's video, I will walk you through how to adjust SAT versus Luma in Filmora. Select your clip in the timeline, then open the color panel. Go to Curves and choose SAT versus Luma. This tool controls how brightness affects color intensity, allowing you to adjust saturation based on shadows, midtones, and highlights separately. The horizontal axis represents brightness, where the left side controls shadows, the middle controls midtones, and the right side controls highlights. The vertical axis represents saturation, where moving up increases color intensity and moving down reduces it. Next, click on the curve to add control points in the area you want to adjust. Adjust the left side for shadows, the middle for midtones, and the right side for highlights. Drag the points up to increase saturation in that brightness range, or drag them down to reduce saturation. Then add extra anchor points to isolate your adjustments and keep other areas unaffected. Thank you for watching the video.